So we start off today's video with this gorgeous pixie hair transformation. Absolutely stunning. Love the spiky texture with that one. And then we see someone with long copper orange colored hair. So it looks like she's decided to cut her hair into a pixie. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. This one also has a nice spiky texture, and I love the fact that the eyebrows match the hair. Absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of hair transformations. Loving this gorgeous reddish brown pixie. That is an absolutely gorgeous hair shade. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured in today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone who has decided to get a beautiful platinum pixie. And we have a bit of a big chop transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob. So it looks like the stylist dyed the hair brunette and also gave her a gorgeous pixie haircut. Wow, such a dramatic hair change. And let us know in the comments below which transformation from today's video is your favorite. This next one looks like it might be of another bob haircut. Wow, absolutely stunning. Beautiful tousled bob transformation. And then we see someone with a faded haircut decide to dye their hair platinum blonde. Very intricate design here. Wow, two-toned. Wow, that is so cool. She looks absolutely amazing. Such a unique style. So it looks like we have someone else who decided to go platinum. Absolutely gorgeous. I did have someone in my comments say that platinum hair wasn't in, but I have no idea what they were talking about because platinum is still very popular. And we're also seeing tons of red hair colors. Two of the biggest hair colors trends I'd say for 2023, platinum and copper or red tones. So here's another gorgeous reddish brown or red copper transformation. Followed by this beautiful red copper pixie. So pretty. That color looks absolutely radiant on her. Then we have someone who has decided to switch it up with some bangs. And then we have a bob haircut with face framing highlights. This one I believe is by Chris Jones Hair, and he's doing a gorgeous blowout on this one. Her hair looks absolutely stunning. Loving the tussle bob look, just so chic and effortless. And then we have a mini bob makeover here. And the mini bob is yet another very popular bob variation that we are seeing this season. So I hope that you guys enjoyed checking out these hairstyles and hair transformations with me. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Hopefully you were able to find some hair inspiration for your next style. And if you need to see even more, be sure to check out this video next.